Morning folks, Bob here. Okay, another unboxing today. Treated myself to a new Trangia Frying Pan. So we'll have a look, get it out, show you, maybe even cook something on it. Back in a second. Okay folks, so we have the Trangia Frying Pan 725, don't know what that means, 22 inch, sorry 22 centimetres. So we'll get it unboxed. Okay, so there we have it. Nice piece of kit. Oop, folding handle, but it don't fold that way obviously. It's pretty stable that way, and it folds in, and it doesn't touch the pan, which is good. Okay, so let's see what it fits like on the top of the Trangia 27. Seems a bit wobbly. Obviously can't put it like that because it'll put it out. So yeah, that's a bit better. Probably not got it right. Okay, so bear with me and we'll get something brewed up. Okay, while we're waiting for the Trangia to bloom, we're just going to cut some smoked sausage up to small rings. There we go. Okay, Trangia's now blooming. So I'm going to drop the simmering on. Got it fully open. It just smothers the flame slightly. Ooh. Put the pan on. Splash of oil in there. Not too much. And we'll get that warmed up. Yeah, it don't seem too stable on the old 27, Trangia 27. We'll get these in. Now I've taken the simmering off because we weren't getting anywhere with that simmering on. Get some bacon in. Trying to find a happy medium with the simmering. So I'm in no rush, so basically I usually use the simmering all the time. Simmering's back on. I don't want to burn anything, although I do want my bacon to go crispy. Okay, and I'll move them to one side. And drop in with some beans. Very difficult to keep level, this pan is. I don't think it's designed for the Trangia 27. Maybe the 25, but not the 27. Okay, make some space. Attempt to get an egg in there. Could be interesting. Oh, the egg's in. So in conclusion, the 22cm frying pan, yeah, great, does exactly what it says on the tin. It's a frying pan. It's only really big enough for one person though, to do a fry up or anything like that. I wouldn't like to use it for two people. My only concern with it is it doesn't seem to sit very well on the Trangia 27 model. It won't stay level, it keeps slipping to one side or the other. Whether I'm doing something wrong, if I am, please let me know in the comments. But apart from that, yeah, great. And I picked it up at just over £16 off Amazon. So when it's on a deal, it is very, very cheap. Anyway, I hope you've got something from this video. If you have, please like and consider subscribing, or maybe even buy me a coffee. See the link in the description. And I'll catch you again at some point in the future. Cheers.